Hi guys, so today we're making a headband wig and this is the hair that I used. It's the GB Regina in color 1B. So first thing, you're going to need your wig cap and your headband. I got this one from Take a Lot. It's sort of like a gym headband, but I find it like it's very stretchy, so I love it. And then I'm just gonna use a needle and wool to just sew in the wig cap onto sew in the headband to the wig cap. Yes, so I start from the middle going to the other side, and there I'm just going to tie a knot and then go back to the middle and go to the other side. I just hope I'm making sense, because I think I am. So now to sew in the bundles, you just need to use a pin or whatever just to secure, so that it's easier for you to sew in the weft onto the wig cap, right? Also, I don't even think I'm going to post this, because when I started recording, I wasn't like really in the mood. I just wanted to make a wig out of the bundles that I had. But yeah, if I post it, then please do let me know if you want me to do like a proper video with good quality lighting and whatever, because this one was all over the place. As you can see, it's only 2 minutes, but yeah. So I'm just going to continue sewing the bundles until I reach the where the headband and the wig cap meet, and then I'll come back to show you guys how it looks. And then when I'm done sewing the hair, I'm going to now brush out the curls, because I wanted a bit of volume, but I did also spray some water so that it's easier for me to brush out the curls, and just make the hair have a bit of volume, man. You get but yeah, this is how the hair came out. I really love it. Yeah, this is synthetic hair, guys. Obviously it's going to tangle, but you just have to make sure that you are taking good care of it. And yeah, if you did enjoy this video, please do not forget to give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you on my next upload. Bye.